Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, Igbo ndị ọma na-ene m, Igbo ndị ọma na-emeta ebulu mbata n'ụbọchị nketa. Asị m ebe na n'ọnụ m, udo dịrị nwoke, udo dịrị nwaanyị. Afa naanị Igbo ji eme na asị m ihe ọma ya emela anyị na-eke n'Orie n'Afọ na Nkwọ. Asị m ndụ azụ ndụ mmiri. Biko vidiyo ahụ na-afụ n'akụkụ ebe a onye ma na owetegwe asị ka anyị wetakwala ya ọnụ na anya bụ okwu nwere ka o si dị na ya bụ Ezeka Udene bụ alụsị ego. Ọ sị na ọ bụ anagogo na ọ bụ na digital native doctor na ọ mezi native doctor ọ dị fọn ọ dị mezi native doctor dị sweet. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ịbụ native doctor si ya mba, onye ọbụla achọghị ịbụ native doctor mụnwa achọghị m ịbụ native doctor. And ọ sịkwa na Oracle bụ the last hope of a common man. Oracle is not the last hope of a common man. Nwoke m aka niile ahụ na-ekowe n'elu njọ ahịa dị kịta, onye ọbụla na-achọ ebe oyi eti isi njọ ahịa adịgo. Unu ka na-eli nke unu butere na Disemba. Akwụrụ m ya akụ this year isi 2023 ihe zoro ezo ya pụta ife. Igbo ndị mmadụ na-enene m biko na na-ekene na vidiyo a uru solu m fụkwanụ solukwa m chi ya maka anya bụ okwu na-atọ amụ na na-ekene m vidiyo ka unu fụ.
Ndị mmadụ ụmụnne m na-awụkwa na native doctor ọ gago digital. I emego the game of this week. Ndị mmadụ na-awụta native doctor. Some they are na-awụta native doctor ka dirty people. Some people before people normally see native doctors as dirty people, people that don't have thinking for quality, people that don't have future. But now, even people see native doctors as people that is not approachable or they fear native doctors. But now we have made people to understand that native doctor is like any other person. They are very easy to associate with. And Oracle is the hope of every common man. So when you are coming to our place, just feel free. SOB is a nice person. I don't need to hype myself for you people to know the kind of person I am. Once you come here, you'll be free. Just feel free. Enjoy your money. Catch your phone. You go back to where you come. Most of my friends told me that if every native doctor would be so simple like me, that they would like to associate with native doctors. Why I like putting on good things, we are not doing all these things to show off, but we are trying to make people to know that mentality they have about native doctors, like they see native doctors as wicked people, or the people that can do you charm, you start put you one sickness or the other. No, we are not like that. This is a call to answer. Native doctor is a call to answer. So just how you are answering your own call might make people to start being afraid of you. If all native doctors should be very sincere, very responsible, I think people will not be afraid of native doctors. I'm a very straightforward person. My A is my A. I don't like to talk much. This is my life. I've made people to know that native doctor is not a dirty game. I've turned the game where native doctors can be neat, their family will be nice, so you have nothing to fear about native doctors. But there are still bad ones. But SOB is trying to let you know that I've made native doctor a shit game. Everybody wants to be a native doctor right now. Once they see SOB, they feel like, I want to be like SOB. I want to be like this man.
Igbo ndị na-eji m ntị eji m n'ahụ na-eche na vidiyo biko nyela anyị aka gbasa vidiyo, nyela anyị aka gbasa ozi a, nyekwala anyị aka tinye aka na the share button, share this video, nyela anyị aka gbaa your notification ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla anyị ti vidiyo fọ ka anyị nwee mgbe ọzọ.